I mixed some of the seasoning together, like I mixed the chili, Kashmiri chili powder. I put the jerk seasoning, the cumin, the adobo. I don't know, I like the seasoning, so I added the fish seasoning and the lemon pepper seasoning. I mix this together, and it's the wet ingredients. I'm gonna put the hot spicy and the dark brown sugar mixed with. I'm gonna put this first after it marinates in there. Get every crevice. Then I'll add the wet marinade for the turkey. This color. I'll fuck you up if you didn't believe you didn't tell me. I'm just gonna eyeball this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come back. Come out. All right, I think we should. Let's see what it does. I'd add some really spicy chili powder. I'll put some brown pepper. And some. What's it? I put 4 tiny spoons with brown sugar. I'm gonna mix it and put some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to say it. There. When I'm adding it, I just count to 10 seconds, okay? And then stop. Added 2 more spoons because I don't want it too spicy. It's the dry seasoning. Yeah, I massaged it in there. I'm gonna add the wet seasoning now. Sure, add some garlic. Good. I'm gonna add some garlic. I'm not sure what for a sausage. I'm pretty far. Add some garlic.
I'm gonna put some buns on and massage it into the meat and then put it in the oven. Well, then marinate. I'm gonna walk the dogs. And after walk the dogs, it'll be like an hour. Because I let them play out for 30 minutes. And then I'll come back in and put it under the oven.
This guy was putting out a shirt. Thinking.